Insta360 GO 3S. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Tech Easy, where we bring you the latest in tech gear, gadgets, and everything in between. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most portable and versatile action cameras on the market, the Insta360 GO 3. Let's get into it. Oh, this is not a sponsor video. The Insta360 GO 3 is a tiny yet powerful action cam that's designed for creators who are always on the move. Weighing just 35 grams, it's compact enough to fit in your pocket, but it's loaded with features that pack a punch. First, let's talk about design. The Insta360 GO 3 is tiny and magnetic, making it incredibly versatile for mounting anywhere, on your helmet, bike, or even your shirt. It comes with a magnetic pendant and other mounting accessories, giving you endless possibilities. And the best part? It's waterproof without any additional casing, so you can take it down to 4 meters underwater, perfect for pool shots or capturing action in the ocean. When it comes to video quality, the Insta360 GO 3 can shoot in 2.7K resolution at 30 frames per second. The footage is crisp, the colors are vibrant, and Insta360's flow state stabilization keeps everything smooth, no matter how rough the conditions are. And if you're into slow motion shots, you're going to love this. The GO 3 shoots slow motion video at 120 frames per second in full HD. Battery life? No problem. The GO 3 can record up to 45 minutes on its own, but when you pair it with the Action Pod, you can get up to 170 minutes of recording time. The Action Pod also acts as a remote control and live view display, so you can frame your shots and control the camera without even touching it. Insta360 packed a lot of features into this tiny camera. From hyperlapse and time-lapse modes to bullet time, you've got everything you need to get creative with your shots. And the Insta360 app? It's super intuitive. You can control the camera, edit your footage, and share your videos, all from your phone. So, who's the Insta360 GO 3 for? Whether you're a vlogger, traveler, sports enthusiast, or just love documenting your daily adventures, this camera has you covered. Alright, let's break down the pros and cons. The GO 3 is ultra-compact, versatile, and durable with great video quality and stabilization. On the downside, there's no 4K resolution and internal storage is limited, so you'll need to manage your files. So, what do you think of the Insta360 GO 3? Is it a camera you'd add to your kit? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. This voiceover script is designed to keep the energy and engagement high while explaining all the key features of the Insta360 GO 3. Please subscribe, like and share. Tech Easy.